All right, so I think it's on. This is my E-Skills video 2. So reflexes, dermatomes, myotomes. I'm going to hit reflexes first just because they're quickest. So we've got 2, and we're going to do, you have a patellar reflex and an Achilles reflex that we can test. So you're going to take a reflex hammer, which is the one with the little triangle on the end, and you're going to gently tap. So for your patellar reflex, you're going to tap on this patellar tendon. You want your patient to be sitting, relaxed, feet off the floor. We're looking for the knee to extend, the leg to extend. We're going to tap right in here. And some people would be more pronounced, some people would be less pronounced, but we're really trying to make sure that that knee comes out. That's what we're watching for. The quad will probably tighten up as well because that's what the quads do. So for the Achilles reflex, a simple way to do it, just lay them on their stomach, let their feet hang off the floor, off the table, probably about mid-calf ish, so about, right here. Let it hang off, and you're going to tap with the reflex hammer right on that Achilles tendon. And again, we're looking for that little muscle jolt of motion, and you're going to see a little plantar flexion to make sure that that reflex is working. All right, so myotomes, dermatomes. Your myotomes that we're going to look at is going to go L2 to S2. So your L2 is going to be hip flexion. So, hip flexion here. Okay. Your L3 is going to be knee extension. So it's going to extend your knee like this. Your L4 is going to be ankle dorsiflexion. So you're going to dorsiflex ankle. L5 is great toe extension. So again, you're going to pull that big toe up towards your nose. S1 is going to be ankle eversion. So out to the side like this. And then S2 is back on your hamstring. So it's also going to do your knee flexion. So your lower limb dermatomes. To test dermatomes, we're going to have our patient sit. I mean, I guess you can have them stand too, it works as well. And you're going to explain to them that you're going to tap on certain areas and you want them to tell you dull or sharp. So if I was using this pen, when you click it out, this could be your sharp end, the outside, and then the back end could be your dull end, just to make sure that they have a distinction between the two, that they know what they're feeling for. We're not going to hurt them, but we do want to make sure that they're having that sensation so that they can tell a difference in sharp and dull. When you're testing, you're going to have them close their eyes so that we're making sure they're not, watching what we're doing. That would defeat the whole purpose. And you can also test bilaterally. So, if we're doing L2 for hip flexion, if we're coming down, does this feel the same as this side kind of thing? Either way works. So to get into it, so your L1 is your inguinal region. Your L2 is going to be middle anterior thigh. So if I was doing it on myself, I would come down this way. So middle anterior thigh right here is going to be your L2, which is your hip flexion, and you want to make sure that you come all the way up and kind of like iliac psoas right here, right in here. Your L3 is going to be your middle aspect. Is going to come across middle aspect of the knee, so it's going to be a little lower on the outside. You're going to come across to the middle part of your knee right here. Again, their eyes are shut. Poke them with the sharp side, say dull or sharp. Poke them with the dull side, dull or sharp, that kind of thing. Making sure to go slow, not too fast. We don't want to overwhelm anybody. Your L4 is going to be your middle lower leg, right? So your L4 is going to kind of start up here near your knee. Start up near your knee and work its way down this way. Okay. I guess. But start up near your knee right here on the middle aspect and work your way down. Okay. Sequential order L5 is going to start more laterally and it's going to come down this way across to your big toe. And that's your great toe extension, so we want it to come all the way down. When you're testing, you want to make sure you go all the way down to the foot. Your S2 your S1 is the lateral side of your foot, down kind of following your peroneals, and your S2 is going to go in on the back and your hamstrings down into that popliteal space. So those are your dermatomes, myotomes, and reflexes.